Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TV Star Trek It. Today I'm going to show how to create a table in design mode using SSMS. So here the test to database shown in the Object Explorer. In the tables, we will right click and click the table. So I will give the name of the column as ID. Int data type, then name of the column will be name. This will be the varchar of the size 50. Then age of the int data type. So here you can see the allow null is already checked in all the column. Now I will set the ID as the primary key. So allow null is disabled for the unchecked, as we set the ID column as the primary key. Allow null option is unchecked. So now we will save the table name as person. We will refresh the database to check if the table has created or not. Yes, the table is created now in the test to database. Thanks for watching this session.